Hello guys, welcome to another video. Finally we have a camera, man. It's my sister.
I am a girl, Mason.
It doesn't matter, okay? And so we're going to need three things. Okay. First we have a large megalodon tooth, as you can see. Second, we have Fidget toys. And last, we have an RC car. Okay, first we're gonna go look through the shark. Megalodon tooth. As you can see, this is not real, but it's fake, but it actually looks like it's real. As you can see.
Can we look at the TV?
Okay, second, we have the fidget toy. Yeah, this is a fidget toy. As you can see, this probably costs like So we have a fidget spinner, where you can pop it. Like that. It's a square and it looks like it's a circle. Then we got an Among Us pocket. Just like this. Okay, then second we have a green ball where you can like fidget with it. Yeah, look at this. You can do a lot of stuff with this. Then we have this. You probably know what this is, but this can go like this. We're gonna be playing with the RC car. Now, then we have like a ball maze where you have to try to look for the ball and do a maze. Then we have this. I don't know if this is fidget or not, but like you can go like this. Then we have this. Then we have this. Okay, then we have this right here. It's kind of like, I have this at school, where if you need to take a break, you can use this. And this is like for something, I don't know. Maybe you can like...
Let's hold the camera. I know how to use it. I can show them.
Okay, how do you use it?
It like this, like you try to like put it together like this.
Oh.
It makes like a loud noise.
Okay, give me it now. So now I know what to do. I think this is for muscle. This is also for muscle too if you want to squish it. Then we have another pop. Do not try this because you might get something on your forehead. Oh. Then we have a stretchy dog. Like this.
Please let me kick it.
Okay, now we have a Rubik's Cube.
Police officers right now. The reason is because about a month ago, Ben and Jeremy, our friends, locked us up in jail for about 8 hours. So, here's something they spent all
Okay, now
night
stop.
building this.
We have this. You can do like magic trick with this.
So Jeremy and Ben are going to be spending the rest of their lives in. Sorry,
Wait.
don't mess with us.
Then we have this.
Officer Orga's here. Razzo here. We're currently outside Jeremy's house. He's playing hold of that in the moment, and we're going to give him a
Then we have this right here.
But in
Same
reality, this
thing.
surprise is not going to be
Then we
something that he
have
will like,
this.
because we're going to arrest him and get our payback. Let's go.
This is probably for holding something.
We're moving in.
So, this is going to be the most exciting part of the video. I just have to, oh, shoot, where does this go?
What are you doing?
Where does this go?
Be like that right now. I trust you guys. Okay.
Where does this go? Are you sure?
Yeah, that's.
I need an explanation right now. What is going on?
You put us under arrest, and now we're going to put you. Everything you say will be used against you in court.
Stop!
Think twice again. Putting us in jail.
Oh my God!
Let's go, buddy.
Wait, where are we actually going?
Stop. I'm trying to
Come on. Well, you have a cop car?
Guys, we have the worst cameraman ever.
I'm actually ghost, so I don't know what to do because he didn't spare me the willow, so I don't know what to do.
Just film me.
Okay.
Where are we seriously going?
We're gonna be like a rubber band forever.
We picked up Jeremy. We're on to the second unit. And
Favorite one. You could probably use
Wait, can I
this
try this?
for no, just back
Aw.
up. You could probably use this for snorkeling like this. Stretch it out. Then once you're in the water, you go like that.
I'm right here! You guys can hear me?
Then you can breathe.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me punch it open.
You know how to drive a cop car?
Alright, we are now outside of Andrew's apartment. The bed is inside there, so we are going to.
And here's the most exciting part. You might see it's probably just a little toy. It's like this. But in reality, look, controller. It can go crazy fast.
Yeah.
Are you sure it's filming the video? Oh, yeah. And there's actually someone in here. If you would see.
Can't see. They want to see it. They want to see it.
Like this, look. Like there's a driver in here.
Cool.
Like this.
Oh.
Oh no.
Hey, what's up, bro? I'm not happy to be here.
We're taking me to the state thing.
You could also do a little wheelie like this. Oh, shoot.
Let us out. Seriously, let us out.
If you want to see, look at this. This can go even faster than my sister.
Get in there, stop stalling. Wasn't it your last time?
Mason, can we be done? Oh, Mason, remember you forgot to like put me right there. Here it goes down for me. Look. Mason, the car needs to wide, so.
Oh, okay. Look, okay, I'm just film.
Someone needs to go down my body.
No, Andrea. Film the video. No, Andrea. Or you're fired.
I don't want to be a cameraman.
Or we're gonna have to so you can get more videos.
Boy,
Okay, here.
I fell.
Okay. Look at this. You might see, oh, it's probably just gonna break. But look at this. This can also survive. And also, it can go back on by itself. Like this. Oh, shoot. Like this.
I almost hit him.
We're probably gonna end by here. But, yeah.
Okay, Mason.
This one's staying there. So, see you later. Peace.
No, Mason. No.
Wait.
This is the ending, okay? Okay.
No, Joe. I'm not gonna do the stupid body thing.
Okay.
Okay.
See ya.
First, if you know that if you serve it up, it also serve it slow. Okay, peace.
Peace.
Son.